Tonight out of Iberia Parish, a brush fire spread to a nearby building on Highway 88. Fire officials say hundreds of offshore flotation devices behind the building burned in the blaze. The devices had been stored there as pipeline protectors. Firefighters say there were no injuries and no evacuations were necessary. The state fire marshal is warning residents to stay safe when burning your items in an open fire. The department is reporting 4 deaths since the end of January, the latest being just yesterday in Saripta, when an 80-year-old man went missing after trying to get a burn pile under control when it spread to someone else's property. That man's body was found later nearby. The department is offering several tips to stay safe. They say to make sure your burn pile is at least 75 feet away from any structure. Don't use flammable liquids to ignite the fire. They also say alert a neighbor of your activities so they can help keep a water source nearby. And if the fire gets out of control, call 911.